going to prep my cold brew tea kit that I got from PARU. I loved how they used it in the store, so I was like, I need my own. It comes with these super cute little tea drinking jars, 2 of them, so you can sip tea with a friend. And then this is what the vessel looks like. I think it's really simple and aesthetic. Let's open this up. All right, so these are the 2 things it came with, the glass jar and then this filtering system with silicone. Now, time to read the instructions. I'll be back. Okay, it's really simple. I'm just gonna add my tea to this vessel and then fill it up with water and let it seep for 8 hours. And now what tea to use? I think I'm gonna use my blue chamomile tea. It's the one that was in my last vlog. So I need to add 15 grams of tea leaves, 5 to 7 teaspoons. I'm gonna do 5. And the great thing about PARU tea is you can use it like 2 or 3 times. So once I drink all of this, I can add water. It's not gonna be as potent, or like the color won't be as blue, but it'll still taste delicious. I don't have measuring tools or a scale, but I do know that a big spoon is tablespoon and a small spoon is a teaspoon, and it says 5 teaspoons. So I'm gonna use a small spoon and just scoop it up. First of all, look how pretty this tea is. You can see the little butterfly pea flowers, the chamomile flowers. Oh, this stuff is just so bomb.com. Water is in, and so is the tea. I'm gonna take this sticker off. Hopefully it doesn't leave a mark. Probably should have done that first. And then I just put it in the fridge for 3 to 6 hours. Yay. Now it's time for the taste test, and let me tell you, this is peace in a glass. I decided to make it a little bit of a ritual and thought about all the things I'm grateful for. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.